acne-prone skin and dark spots just like me? If yes, then today this video will help you achieve even skin tone and hide your acne marks or dark spots. Step 1. Cleanser. Apply a gentle cleanser on your face. Make sure you don't rub your face harshly. Take a soft towel and gently cleanse your face. Step 2. Moisturizer. I'm going to take the nickel-sized amount of my moisturizer. Since I have combination skin, I always make sure to apply my moisturizer after washing my face thoroughly. Step 3. Prime your skin. First thing first, take your primer and apply it evenly on your face. This acts as a base for the rest of your makeup application. Smooth it over your entire face or apply it on targeted areas. Step 4. Color correct. Now, after the primer, I will apply a color corrector. They typically come in colors such as peach, green and orange, and each color has a different purpose, so check before buying. I will apply it especially under my eyes and on the dark spots. Now I'm going to nicely blend it with a beauty blender into my skin until it is evenly distributed. Step 5. Apply a foundation. Since I have combination skin, I will use this foundation with the help of a blender. I will just blend it smoothly all over my face. Make sure you dab it, not rub the product in your skin. Since I have a combination skin, I'm using a stick foundation as it is easier to use. Step 6. Apply your concealer. If you can still see imperfections under your foundation, grab a concealer. I will quickly swipe it under my eyes and tap it on my temples, between my brows, down the bridge of my nose and in the middle of my chin. Now, with the help of a blender, I will pat it into my skin so that the dark spots are covered. If you have really stubborn dark circles, then concealer is the best way to hide them. This will instantly brighten your complexion while sculpting your face. Step 7. Finish the look with powder and setting spray. I want my look to last throughout the day, and so I will use a setting spray like this. Always shake the bottle of setting spray before using it. After applying the setting spray, I will just let it dry for a few minutes so my makeup does not smudge. To lock your foundation and concealer, use a powder. So guys, I hope you like this quick fix. Do let me know what do you think about this routine. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Moisturizer. Step 3. Prime your skin. Step 4. Color correct. Step 5. Apply your foundation. Step 6. Apply your concealer. Step 7. Finish the look with powder and setting spray. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. Bye!